In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete comments on TikTok. So to delete comment on TikTok, this is what you have to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to log into your TikTok account. So let's open up the TikTok app right now. So once you tap on it, you just want to select any random video here. Just let's select this. Let's select this. So once you select the video you want, then tap on comment. So once you tap on comment, so to delete any comments from this comments history that we have here, what you want to do, you want to look for the comment that you want to delete. Then you want to tap and hold on that comment. So let's tap and hold on this comment. So once you tap and hold on the comment, it will bring out a menu for you. On this thing, you just want to check very well. You're going to see where it says delete. You just want to tap on this delete, and this comment will be deleted from your account on TikTok. So guys, this is how to delete a comment from your video on TikTok. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.